Clean the machine head in the fist. Prepare a bottle of rust remover. First, shake all the belts to one slide. Spray rust remover on every place that needs to slide. Wipe it clean and spray another coat of rust remover. Clean it again with the same method. The paper stop plate is also critical. If there are stains or glue that cannot be wiped off, you must find a way to clean it thoroughly. Otherwise, it will probably affect our machine speed adjustment. After cleaning the stains, it's the same as before. Use rust remover to clean again. Next, let's see how to maintain the folding part. The folding part is the core of our machine. Under each belt, every wheel must be carefully scraped clean. Don't be afraid of trouble. After all the wheels are cleaned, be sure to blow the dirt out with an air gun. Otherwise, all previous efforts will be abandoned. Maintenance of other parts is the same as this.